Welcome to the Nairobi Western Bypass Project. The China Road and Bridge Construction Company in Kenya were contracted in April 2017 by the Government of the Republic of Kenya through the Implementation Agency, the Director General, Kenya National Highway Authority, KENHA, to carry out the design and construction of the Western Bypass Road project. The construction of a dual carriageway consists of a length of 15.358 kilometer road and also consists of a service lane road of about 17.31 kilometer. The construction commenced on 11th April 2019 and it is expected to end by 30th September 2022. That is approximately contract period of 39 months. The proposed Western Bypass Road project, as shown on the map, mainly follows through the existing Gitaru Road towards the northeast and turns to the southeast via Ndenderu Town and Limuru Road. The Western Bypass passes through various towns, that is Gitaru, Wangige, Ndenderu and Ruaka Town. The end of the road is at the Northern Bypass in Ruaka Town. Bypass is the remaining link road to complete a ring around Nairobi metropolitan area as shown on the project location map. The project is divided in three sections. That is section 1, Gitaru to Wangige, that is 5 kilometer, Wangige to Ndenderu 10 kilometer and Ndenderu to Ruaka 15 kilometer. The completion of the works is estimated to be 63%, with completion of various sections as follows, because it's so different from one section to the other section. So from Gitaru to Wangige 70%, Wangige to Ndenderu 75%, Ndenderu to Ruaka 60% complete.